Hi, my name is Joseph Toledo and this is my electronics project. There are 6 major components to this circuit. There's the battery, the LED light, a 74C14 inverter, a 100 microfarad capacitor, and 2 resistors that are at 10,000 kiloohms. Overall, I'd say this circuit was fairly easy to make. I think it aligned perfectly with what we were learning in class. While making the circuit, I struggled to connect the wires in the proper order, but I used trial and error until I got the correctly built circuit. Each component of the circuit has their own important role. The capacitor stores electronic charge, the resistors slow down the current, the battery powers the circuit with 10 volts, the LED acts as the load, and most importantly, there is the inverter. As you can see in this video, the LED is blinking. This blinking effect is thanks to the 74C14 inverter. What the inverter does is it converts direct current into alternating current, which is why you see the LED blinking and not just constantly on, which is what you would observe if the inverter was taken out of the circuit. This is the schematic for my circuit. If you follow from the positive side of the battery, you can see that the wire then splits off into 3 different directions. The top direction is the first resistor, the second one is connecting to the inverter, and the third one connects to the capacitor. If you follow from the first resistor at the top, you can see it connects to the second resistor and back to the inverter. The second resistor is connected in series with the load, the LED light. The LED light is then connected back to the inverter, also to the capacitor, and then finally back to the negative side of the battery.